Okay, let's go ahead and look at number 10. The directions still say to simplify, and in this case, it says that we are subtracting our two polynomials, which means that we have a -1 really outside of that front parenthesis. So when you have a subtraction in between both parentheses, what you need to first do is you need to distribute that -1 into your parentheses, into all parts inside your polynomial. Now what that means is we're going to take this -1, and when we multiply it by any term, it's going to change the sign. So this positive 7x will turn into a -7x. This positive 2 will turn into a -2, and this -8 will turn into a positive 8x squared. So we can go ahead and we can now get rid of that. And then we are going to combine like terms. So here we go. We got a 3. This 3 doesn't have any letters on it, and neither does this -2. So let's go ahead and add them together. 3 plus -2 gives me 1. I now have this 5x. Well, that will combine with this -7x because I just have an x on it. So 5 plus -7 gives me -2x. And finally, I have this 6x squared. That can be combined with the 8x squared. 6 plus 8 gives me positive 14. And since they both have an x squared on it, I'll put an x squared. That is my final answer. Okay, let's practice some problems on your own. Go ahead and simplify number 1. And then go ahead and simplify number 2. And then go ahead and simplify number 3.